Good morning, Mr. Ortiz. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge, I missed the last name on this defendant.
Ortiz.
Yeah. All right, thank you, Your Honor. On April 13th, 2025, officer was dispatched to a motor vehicle accident in Harris County, Texas. The officers arrived on the scene and they met with Houston Fire Department, who stated that they observed the defendant to be passed out behind the wheel of the motor vehicle with the engine on. The witness from Houston Fire Department stated that they put the vehicle in park and took the keys out of the ignition. The officers detained the defendant and the defendant was transported to a parking lot. The defendant agreed to perform standard field sobriety tests. The defendant had a 6 out of 6 on the HGN, a 4 out of 8 on the walk and turn, and a 2 out of 4 on the one leg stand. The DIC was read and the defendant consented to a breath test. And the defendant's results of the breath test were
Pause here and look
0.086.
at the numbers. Texas legal limit is 0.08, and this defendant just nudged over it. This is why field sobriety tests plus breath tests are critical. The HGN score alone already raised red flags, but those breath results, that's enough to put a case in motion.
And 0.087.
Did you say there's an accident?
It says that, yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. Officers were dispatched to a motor vehicle accident in Harris County,
Did they
Texas.
smell alcohol? Did they see bloodshot eyes? Did they have an odor of anything? Before they started doing all the tests? If I may. Are you losing?
So, Your Honor, I am in the DIMS. It does not say. Yeah, I know. In the DIMS, it does not say. I am checking the offense report. I know. I know your feelings on that, Your Honor.
Mr. Ortiz, if you watch the news every single day, we have someone dying from a DWI in our county. It's not cool. If you want to go get lit, fantastic. Take a freaking Uber. $40 and one button on your phone. Anywhere you want to go, man. I'm going to find no probable cause in this case. Just be careful. All right? Please. So we tested him, guys, right?
Yes, Judge.
And?
He was presumptive positive for THC.
Still using? I don't understand what don't mean no means no. No means no. How long has it been, Greg? Should the weed have been out of the system or what? When did we order it?
I don't remember. I don't have my iPad on me off the top of my head.
Case has been open since December. We reinstated his bond in February.
It was ordered in December as well.
We ordered you since December not to use, and you're still testing positive. It's unacceptable. I'm now revoking your bond. Goes with you.
Your Honor, let me ask you this. Can you give it a couple of days to see what the state's going to do on the mitigation? He does have asthma. That was an issue last time. He doesn't.
He's been ordered since December.
I understand.
Use. And I told you over and over not to use. And I even reinstated your bond once. And you're still testing positive. No. Because then,
well, you're still at Morton Ranch.
am I supposed to feel bad because he's continuing to use? You know?
If it's going to go a certain route and possibly go away, I just ask.
As much as I love you, Greg, if I let him go now, then I'm telling him it's okay for you to do what you're doing. And it's not okay. I've warned you repeatedly not to, and you continue to test positive. He goes with you.
May I ask you what the bond is going to be, Your Honor? Or would you consider a couple of days and then reinstate his bond to where if they do give him a PTI so he can do his?
Absolutely. But he needs to know that we mean business, that we're not
I
here
understand.
flapping our gums for nothing. Because really, I've already reinstated the bond once, and he's still doing whatever he wants to do. It's unacceptable.
Okay.
So I'm setting the bond at 5,001. Today's Wednesday.
Here's a critical courtroom lesson. Repeated violations can override previous leniency. The judge is balancing fairness with accountability, not just punishment, but sending a clear message that probation or bond is a privilege, not a free pass. Ask yourself, would you respond differently if you were in this position?
We can roll it to, I guess, Monday, and then I'll talk to him to see if he gets the message, and we'll go from there. But
We'll talk in a second.
I'll let him explain to you what we have in mind, but I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. I know you have to look at that. Because even caseworkers had given him drug tests and they explained to him why, everyone. I don't know, he explained something, he smoked some, so cigar type marijuana thing, and it was like,
Greg, don't. You know what I mean?
I get it, Judge.
Okay.
I will talk to the state. I will talk to mom. I have one other case I need to talk to you
We'll
about.
talk again on Monday.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm here every day.
All right.
So
Thank you so much for coming.
just give me a second. I'll talk to you.
Oh, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate it. And we are too, we really are. It just,
It's gotta be a lesson learned, and like I said, I'm grandma, I've been raising them since 3 months in and out of the relationship, so that kind of thing. Yeah, so.
Okay.
I have his daughter, I have my granddaughter too that I'm raising, she's 15, so I've had her since NICU. So that,
no,
they're going counseling too for all of that, because they don't know how to let their emotions.
so sorry, but you're doing great. Good job.
You didn't feel like-
I'm behind you. Okay, thanks.
I have another case, Takesha Chase. I was going to come to the court without an agreed recommendation to see if the court would consider a deferred adjudication. She has no Texas history. She does have some history out of state.
No, we're not.
No, but are you opposed to it, right? And why?
So, Judge, I think we made an offer. It was an offer. We have planned that. We should be a lot.
How bad are the injuries are we talking? Is it bad? Greg, is it bad?
No, I'm telling you, no. I watched the video. I didn't see anything. In fact, the complaining witness called the cops the day after. It was they were in the drive-thru at Whataburger. Complaining witness hits the back of my client's car. Client's upset. Argument ensues, opens the door. They throw some punches. Okay. Complaining witness does not call the cops that day. One of her family members either works for a law firm or has something to do with the law firm, and she has her call the cops from the law office the next day. Cops on body cam come to the law office the next day to make the complaint.
That is.
Is your complaining witness asking for max time or something?
She didn't ask him for max. And she didn't assess that.
How bad are the injuries?
So she said there was a blood vessel pop in her eye and redness on her face and eye.
Did you verify that?
Now, check this out. Mr. Burks is entering a plea for assault of a family member. The judge is spelling out the lifelong consequences, gun restrictions, potential felony upgrades for repeat offenses, immigration implications. This is why legal counsel is crucial. It's not just jail time. One decision here changes a lifetime of rights.
So based on injury photos, we do have an injury photo.
She has no criminal history, right?
She has out of state, but nothing in Texas. I mean, body cam, I didn't see.
It's nothing violent.
I didn't see anything on body.
I'm
cam.
okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, do you want me to set it for a plea or do it now?
Well, it's 191 days. Is she here now?
She's here now.
Why doesn't we do it?
Okay, I'll do it right now.
Come on up, sir. Hi, Alan. Sorry, guys. Oh, who do we have here? Oh, Mr. Birch.
Sir.
Okay. So, good morning, Mr. Birch.
Morning.
Sir, you're charged with assault of a family member. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 9 days in jail with credit for the 5 days that you've done. You need to understand that this is going to go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. It's even there after you die. This is important because there's an affirmative finding of family violence. What that means is that if you ever pick up another one of these cases, you will be looking at a 3rd-degree felony. If you ever pick up a gun or ammunition, you could be looking at potential further charges as well. By doing this plea, you can never own a gun or ammunition or be in possession of such. You understand?
Sir.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. That's why I say after today, you can never come back and try to change this because you just don't want it anymore. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
There's an affirmative finding of family violence, which is why I was telling you, you pick up another one. You understand? And I'm telling you now, an assault is not like a drag down, beat down. You merely take someone's arm and you just squeeze it enough for it to hurt. You're looking at some serious time.
Yes.
You understand? All right. How do you plead to the offense, sir? Guilty? I'm going to find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor, if I may, I believe that there was a residency restriction, I suppose. I think there was a MOA in place. I can't see evidence of that on my end, which I normally can. But if there was any MOA in place, Your Honor, we would want that to be addressed.
You want me to take the residential restriction off?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do we know what the complaining witness wants?
Absolutely. The complaining witness not only wants it removed, but the complaining witness has contacted the district attorney's office between yesterday and today. I spoke with her yesterday. I also emailed the state.
Cole, you verified that?
It's a DVD issue, so
Okay, as long as they're okay with it, then I'm okay with it as well, and we can amend it.
okay.
I just want to make sure that they're on the same page, that they know about it and they're okay with it, and then I'm okay with it too.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
She's on standby, by the way, if you guys want to call her.
Okay, yeah, we'll give her a call.
Well, you don't have to call, it should be in the notes, hopefully.
Well, the note says that defense counsel says the complaining witness explained it was a big misunderstanding.
Okay, I don't know, maybe,
This morning's email, I don't know if you got it, but it also says she's waiting for you guys to call her. Her number is this, and she's called you. And I was on the phone with her when we called you too.
Did you send me
Alan, you said she's outside?
No, she's on the phone. She's waiting for their call.
I'll have someone reach out here momentarily.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. Good luck to you, Mr. Birch.